Step up to 7-star or the Big Dipper. We're going to do snake creeps down, open the back foot, close the front foot, weight on the back, sink. Now, arm and leg together, 2 fists, and cross on the edge, not like this, but here. Okay, do it from the front. Just be careful that the feet are not too close together and that the left foot is, the toe is slightly to the corner. It will give you better balance. And then cross at the wrists, but not actually on the joint. Here. This area here is to do with the pulses. You have the yin pulse control here and the yang pulse control there. So when we do this, we're connecting the 2 pulses, yin and yang, throughout the body. Okay, good.